Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Remote Teaching and Tutoring. Remote teaching and tutoring refer to the practice of providing educational instruction and support to students from a distance, usually through digital communication technologies. This approach has become increasingly popular and necessary due to advancements in technology, the internet, and the COVID-19 pandemic, which led to widespread school closures and the need for remote learning solutions. Remote teaching involves delivering lessons, lectures, or educational content to students who are not physically present in a traditional classroom setting. Educators can use various online tools and platforms to conduct remote teaching, including video conferencing. Video conferencing is a real-time communication technology that allows individuals or groups of people to hold virtual meetings, discussions, or conferences using video and audio connections over the internet. It enables face-to-face interactions, screen sharing, and collaboration regardless of the participants' physical locations. Video conferencing has become increasingly popular in recent years, especially with the rise of remote work and online education. Some common features and benefits of video conferencing include video and audio communication. Participants can see and hear each other in real time, making the communication more personal and engaging compared to traditional audio-only calls. Screen sharing. Users can share their screens with others, allowing them to present slides, documents, or software demonstrations during the meeting. Virtual meetings and collaboration. Teams and individuals can hold virtual meetings, fostering collaboration regardless of geographic distances. Flexibility. Video conferencing allows participants to join meetings from various devices, such as computers, tablets, and smartphones. Recordings. Many video conferencing tools offer the option to record meetings, making it possible for participants to review discussions later or share them with absent colleagues. Security features. Many video conferencing platforms include encryption and other security measures to protect the privacy of the meeting. Learning management systems, LMS. LMS platforms like Moodle, Canvas, or Blackboard facilitate the organization of course materials, assignments, quizzes, and grading. LMS have become increasingly popular in educational institutions, corporate settings, and other learning environments due to their ability to centralize and streamline the learning process. These systems offer a wide range of features that cater to the needs of both educators and learners. Some key functionalities of learning management systems include course creation and management. LMS allow educators to create and organize courses with multimedia content, presentations, quizzes, assignments, and other learning materials. They provide a structured and user-friendly environment for managing course content. User management. LMS enable administrators to manage user roles and access levels. They can add or remove users, create groups or cohorts, and handle enrollment processes. Communication and collaboration. LMS often include communication tools like discussion forums, chat, and messaging systems, fostering interaction and collaboration among learners and instructors. Progress tracking and reporting. Educators and administrators can monitor learners' progress through the LMS. They can access reports and analytics on completion rates, quiz scores, and other metrics to assess the effectiveness of the courses. Assessment and grading. LMS typically have built-in assessment tools, allowing instructors to create and administer quizzes, assignments, and exams. These systems can also automate grading processes to save time. Asynchronous learning. Pre-recorded video lessons or educational content can be made available to students for self-paced learning. This allows learners to access material at their convenience. Key characteristics of asynchronous learning. Flexibility. Asynchronous learning offers a high degree of flexibility, enabling students to choose when and where they want to engage with the course content. This is particularly beneficial for learners with varying schedules or those in different time zones. Self-paced learning. Students can progress through the material at their own speed, taking the time they need to understand concepts fully. This personalized learning approach accommodates individual learning styles. Multimedia content. Course materials in asynchronous learning often include a variety of multimedia elements, such as recorded lectures, video presentations, interactive modules, and downloadable resources. Virtual whiteboards and collaboration tools. Platforms that mimic traditional classroom tools like whiteboards and interactive activities help maintain engagement and interactivity during lessons. Virtual whiteboards and collaboration tools allow multiple users to work together on a shared canvas, making it easier to exchange ideas and work collectively in real time. Multi-user collaboration. Virtual whiteboards support real-time collaboration, enabling multiple users to work together simultaneously. Participants can see each other's contributions in real time, making it suitable for remote teamwork and brainstorming sessions. Media integration. Virtual whiteboards often support the integration of multimedia elements, including images, videos, and documents, to enhance presentations and discussions. Online assessments. Various digital assessment tools can be used to evaluate students' progress and understanding of the subject matter. Remote tutoring involves one-on-one or small group sessions where a tutor provides personalized academic assistance to students over the internet. Online tutoring shares many tools and platforms with remote teaching, but it typically focuses on individualized attention and targeted support for specific topics or subjects. Accessibility and flexibility. Online assessments can be taken from anywhere with an internet connection, providing greater accessibility and flexibility for learners. Time efficiency. Automated grading and instant feedback in some formats reduce the time required to assess and provide results to students. Enhanced security. Advanced online assessment platforms offer secure exam proctoring, preventing cheating and maintaining the integrity of the assessment process. Varied question types. Online assessments support a wide range of question formats, including multiple choice, true/false, short answer, essay questions, and interactive items. Data analytics. Digital assessment tools often provide detailed analytics and reports on students' performance, helping instructors identify strengths and weaknesses. Immediate feedback. Some online assessment systems offer immediate feedback to students, enabling them to identify areas of improvement and understanding. Automatic grading. Automated grading reduces the burden on instructors, especially for objective-based assessments like multiple-choice questions. Accessibility. Remote education allows students to access quality education irrespective of their geographic location, as long as they have a reliable internet connection. Flexibility. Both students and educators can enjoy increased flexibility in scheduling lessons and study time, making it easier to balance other commitments. Personalization. Online platforms often enable the tailoring of content to meet individual students' needs and learning styles, fostering a more effective learning experience. Customized learning paths. Personalization allows learners to follow individualized learning paths that align with their current knowledge level, interests, and learning goals. This can involve adaptive learning technologies that adjust content based on a student's performance and responses. Cost effectiveness. Remote teaching and tutoring can be more economical for both students and educators, reducing expenses related to commuting and physical resources. Global reach. Educators can reach a broader audience of students, including those from different countries and cultures. Online learning. With the advent of online learning platforms and learning management systems, LMS, educational institutions and instructors can offer courses and training programs to a global audience. Students can access learning materials and participate in classes regardless of their physical location. Despite these challenges, remote teaching and tutoring continue to evolve and improve as technology advances and educators gain more experience with online education. It offers unique opportunities for flexible and accessible learning, helping bridge gaps in education for students worldwide. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.